Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Math Vibes. Thank you so much to all the subscribers who have subscribed, and thank you so much for liking and sharing the video. It is only your motivation and encouragement that keeps me going. Thank you so much. Here we have come once again with an art-based project or art-based activity of finding prime and composite numbers with the help of Sieve of Eratosthenes. Now, what is Sieve of Eratosthenes and who was Eratosthenes? Let's study in our further video. Now, who was Eratosthenes and what is Sieve of Eratosthenes? Well, Eratosthenes was a Greek mathematician, astronomer, and a geographer. He invented a method of finding prime numbers which is still used today, and that method is called Sieve of Eratosthenes. Now, if you don't know about prime numbers and composite numbers, then do check out our video on prime and composite numbers. Link will be shared in the description box below. Now, let us study that if I want to find prime numbers and composite numbers through the sieve of Eratosthenes, how will I do that? You can do that by making a grid of numbers from 1 to 100. Now you can also convert this into an art-based project or an activity by taking some colored papers or sketch pens or different buttons, different colored buttons where we are putting the crosses and the circles. You can put colored buttons over there and you can easily convert it into an art-based project or activity. Now let us start how to find prime and composite numbers by using this sieve of Eratosthenes. Now first of all, observe this grid carefully. It is having numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. So 1 over here is always a special number. So 1 will be considered as a special number, okay, because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Alright, now let us move further. Now what you will do is, you will take the first number which is 2 and you will put a cross and on all the other multiples of 2. Now multiples of 2 are the numbers that comes in the table of 2. So you just put a cross on all the other numbers like 8 and then 10, then 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, then 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78 and 80. 82, 84, 86, 88 and 90, 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100. Now these are the numbers that comes in the table of 2. Now if you feel confused that I don't know the table of 2 till 100, okay, then you can simply do the skip counting by 2. Okay, now moving on further, let's take the next number which is 3. And now we will put a cross on all the numbers which comes in the table of 3 or the multiples of 3. Now the numbers which are already crossed, you will leave it like that. Now 3 2s are 6, then 3 3s are 9. Okay, 12 is already crossed, then 15. 18 is already crossed, now 21. 24 is crossed, 27. Now 30 is crossed, 33. 36 is already crossed. Now 39. Okay, and 42 is already crossed. Now 45. Now 48 is already crossed. Now 51. You can do this by doing the skip counting by 3 also. Now 54 is crossed. Now 57. 60 is already crossed. 63. 66 is crossed. Now 69. 72 is already crossed. Now you take 75. Now 78 is already crossed. Now you take 81. Then 84 is already crossed. Take 87. 90 is already crossed. Now you take 93. 96 is already crossed. So you will take 99. Now take the next number, which is 5. Now we'll put a circle around 5 and we'll cross out all the multiples of 5. Now see, the multiples of 5 will be that will end with either 0 or 5. Now all the numbers that end with 0 here are already crossed. Okay, so we will cross out the numbers that end with 5 now. Okay, so 25, 35, 55, 65, 85 and 95. So these are the multiples of 5. Now let us take the numbers that are multiples of 7. So but before that, put a circle on the number 7. Now 7 twos are 14, already crossed. 7 threes are 21, crossed. 28, crossed. 7 fives are 35, crossed. 7 six are 42, crossed. 7 sevens are 49. Now put a cross on 49. Now 7 eights are 56, it is already crossed. Now 7 nines are 63, it is already crossed. 7 tens are 70, crossed. Now put a cross on 77. Now after 77 we have 84, it is already crossed. Okay, so next cross will be on 91, and after 91, 98 is already crossed. So these were the multiples of 7. Now let us put a circle around the number 11 and let us see that how many multiples comes in the table of 11. So 11 ones are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, then 99. Okay, so all those numbers are already crossed. Now let us see the numbers which are left behind. And 1 we have already seen that it is a special number. So we are not going to consider 1. Now how this sieve helps us to find out the prime and the composite numbers is, now let us study about that. Well, we will highlight the numbers which are left behind. Okay, so it is 2, right? Then after 2 we have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47 and 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Now if you will observe and count all the numbers that are highlighted over here, then you will find that they are 25 in number, which shows that from numbers from 1 to 100 we have 25 numbers which we have not put in a cross. Okay, and those who are left behind, and some of the numbers we have put it in a circle. So there are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100, and 1 we don't consider because 1 is a special number. It is neither prime nor composite. Okay, I hope you find it easy. If you have done it side by side, then it will be very easy for you to do it. Okay, So if you have not watched it carefully yet, then make a grid on your own of numbers from 1 to 100. You can just take a class 3 notebook or a class 2 notebook having squares already drawn on it, and you can just write the numbers from 1 to 100, and you can perform this activity side by side so that you can learn better about what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers, and how to find prime and composite numbers through this grid, which is called Sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, to find out more about what are prime numbers and composite numbers, do watch our video. Link is shared in the description box below. Okay, now if you like a video and you have learned from it, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel Maths Vibe on YouTube. Keep on encouraging us. Thank you so much everyone for your love and support. Bye bye.